So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to get ESPN Plus on your LG Smart TV. Now, unfortunately, if you go to the App Store on your LG Smart TV, you will not get the ESPN application available. So the only alternative to get ESPN and also the ESPN Plus subscription on your LG Smart TV is to use a third-party streaming device. Now, this could be an Amazon Fire Stick, this could be the Apple TV box, or the Roku. Whatever you want to use, it's the only way to get ESPN and also enjoy ESPN Plus content on your LG Smart TV. Now, for me, I have this Amazon Fire Stick, which I've plugged into the back of my LG Smart TV. And all I need to do now is go to my HDMI devices and go to my Fire Stick, which I had set up before. And on the Fire Stick, all I need to do now is simply go to Find, Search, and search for ESPN. There you go. So select ESPN or ESPN Plus, whatever. And you should find the ESPN application available. So click on it and you should find ESPN for Fire TV. If you're using an Apple TV or any other one, you should find ESPN for that specific streaming device. So all I need to do now is install. So click on Get, free to download. Once the installation is complete, simply launch the app. Alternatively, you can launch it from the list of applications. If you go to your home screen on the Fire Stick, you can always launch ESPN from here. And there is the ESPN application. If you want to watch ESPN Plus content and you have an active subscription, simply go to ESPN Plus. But of course, to do that, you need to log into your ESPN account. Now, of course, if you have an active ESPN Plus subscription, then it should come automatically here and you can go in there and watch the content that you want to watch. But that's really how you can get ESPN and ESPN Plus on your LG Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.